Hi, welcome to Domain Homes. Here at Domain Homes, we like to create experiences, not just events or open houses. Today you're at our masterclass, Urban Garden Masterclass. And as you see behind here, we have all our guests that are coming to learn how all the tips and tricks on creating their own urban garden. So just stay tuned for the next events. We're going to keep creating experiences just like this one. We just wrapped up our first Urban Garden Masterclass. Great turnout. Please stay tuned for the next events. Make sure you get on the guest list. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Go to the website, domainhomes.com, and stay tuned. We'll see you soon.